Hi guys, welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the psychology paper. In this paper, there are total number of 6 questions. This is the class 12th Odia medium paper. If you are looking for the answer of these papers, so you are at the good place. We provide all type of solutions of any type of subject in any medium. For this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number 900 936 8238. You can message us, you can WhatsApp us, and we will provide all the PDF and written assignment after the payment. For payment, you can use any GPay or any Pay app. Or in this paper, you can see there are total number of 6 questions. In this paper, you can see there are total number of 6 questions. Each has A and B options. You need to answer only one question answer. In both of them, you have to give only one answer. Similarly for other also. And there are total number of 6 questions. You need to give answer. And thank you so much for watching. If you have other doubts, you can contact us directly. Thank you so much for watching.